Hello. Greetings.
You think of any more?
Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a few little bits. We're going to do like sort of, I think it's going to be like just a day in the life of the unit, so it might be a longer video, a long video. Curtis is going to make no mistakes in editing this video this time.
Don't tell lies.
Hey Curtis.
I promise. I'll try my hardest, I'll try my hardest, boss.
Yes. He's in training, so he's got his training wheels on at the minute.
Yeah, look, they're down there.
But is that Corsa? Yes. So speaking of, right now, Corsa's just turned up for a service. We also, by the way, t-shirts have gone live for sale, so make sure you are going down below and hitting them up. £15 each, good deal, posted right to your door. And here comes Joe and his friend. How you doing?
Yeah, how are you?
Alright. So what we're going to do now, jump and do this service. We have got new t-shirts and Curtis can't spell, which we'll show you very soon.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, let's crack on.
So Jack, what are you doing?
Service on the Corsa.
Yeah.
I'm going to be upside down, aren't
Yeah, don't mind.
I? That's fine.
I can switch it, look. No, you're the right way up.
Okay, thanks. So far I've done brake fluid change, drain the oil, air filter, and that's it. I've got oil to put back in. Oh no, I've done the oil filter as well. Got to put oil back in, coolant change, and spark plugs. That's it.
Good.
And slap you.
Crack on.
Okay. Yeah.
Jack's now doing that service still, as you just saw from that little cinematic. We've got a wrap order here, which we're going to cut up for Sunstrip. Some baby blue wrap for a bongo, which you will have seen, yes. We're trying to record a bit ahead, so it's just like a bit difficult to try and remember what you've actually seen and what you haven't. But I'm going to cut these Sunstrips up now. We're also going to, in about half an hour to an hour, look at a flip car. But you guys are not coming to see it. We are going to drive there and probably do a cinematic on the way there, then just let you know what we think of it after, but you will not see it until the actual flip car video, so look out for that. We have shown this before, but there is like quite a few steps that obviously goes into making a Sunstrip. We do get the vinyl in full rolls and then we put it up ready for size, so it's all ready for going on the car. But again, there's a lot of prep work in actually doing it. It don't happen in 5 seconds. We are also, by the way, going to be selling these on the website, rustyfat.co.uk, very soon. Probably actually by the time this video goes up. We'll be doing matte black and gloss black Sunstrips with a sticker of your choice, so either oil slick or white for the Rusty Autos. That way, if you just want a Sunstrip blank, you can leave it blank. If you want to add your own sticker on it, you can add your own sticker. If you want to put the Rusty Auto sticker on it, by all means put the Rusty Auto sticker. If you don't want it on the Sunstrip, put it on the back of the car or put it somewhere else. We'll also be doing a quick minute and a half video on how to install a Sunstrip in 10 steps. We'll do it very quick and you guys can view that to help you guys install it. So look out for those as well. But as we were saying, we try and cut these to about 10 inches. It's usually 5 squares roughly. You do have a few offcuts, but sometimes you get some cars that come in that are a little bit different on the tops. So the way you do it is, if you look here, you've got the curve in the roof. The more the curve, the further down you have to go to get it a decent size at the top. Now this one, he didn't want it too far down because of rain scent, but certain cars like Micras and BMWs, you don't have that much of a curve in the roof. So you can get away with doing a little Sunstrip instead, like that. So let's cut this. We've got these to cut in the mat. A guillotine would be so much easier. But we've got these cut in the mat, and then we've also got some to cut in the gloss as well. We also mark them to make sure we know which side has a straight edge. They both should have straight edge, but when you buy them, Obviously by the roll itself, they cut it, not ourselves, so it does vary quite a bit. So we just like to make sure we are getting that straight edge on the car. So we just mark it, a little arrow, just to show which side it is. And then we're good to go.
Yeah, really?
What?
Jack.
Yes, get that as well. Sorry about that. But we're prepping to go and see this flip car. Now, Curtis is going to pan to Jack's car, tell us what has changed on his car. Something has changed. Go all the way around, Curtis, because it might not be on the side. But something has changed. Not going to tell you what. See if you can guess. Have a guess. What do you think it is? Comment down below and let us know.
So where are we going?
So we're now going to just have a look at this flip car. We're going to go and check it out. We're going to plug diagnostics in it, see what issues there is, visually inspect it, see what's wrong with it, see if it needs to do brakes or anything like that. And then we may get it. You may see a little clip of us getting it, but you are not going to see the car, as we mentioned before. So Curtis is going to have to do a lot of pixelating.
Don't worry, Chief, I'm on it. Isn't that right, Jack?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You're enthusiastic.
Oh,
Bit
sun
too-
in his face.
Bit too
what?
early for him.
Son?
Sun in your face. It's on the other side of the car, you
to be
pillar.
driving that van? I don't think he was. It's about 10.
See, Jack just gets road rage. The typical Corsa driver.
Corsa rage. I had it. No, I don't, because I ain't got a Corsa anymore.
Rip.
Because one of you guys are going to win it.
Hey,
So,
what's that?
Make sure you go down below, getting yourself a ticket. So we're just sat waiting for Jack. Yes, I am driving his car. His little lad's not very well, so he just popped to hospital on the way to see the car. He's okay. I think he's just got a bit of an infection. But we've just dropped some stuff off for him. So we're waiting for him to come back, and then we're going to go ahead and see this flip car. Do I miss driving my VXR? Probably not. As bad as it sounds. The 350 is like in a different. Don't get me wrong, nothing wrong with the VXRs before we go any further. What the 350 is like in a different bracket, I think, and I do enjoy the sound of that. So, and it just feels nice as well when you're driving it, and it gets so much looks as it is. So I can't wait to get that finished. But like I said, nothing wrong with VXRs. I can't wait till we start doing things on this car. He is getting a wrap, which is top secret, but it will look absolutely insane. I've been working on design for it, and it will look incredible. So look out for that as well. We're going to be doing the build on this. We are trying to find something specific. I'm not going to say what, but we do have a plan to try and start that working. We are going to be building it to a minimum of 450 brake if we can. It's going to be a lot of heartache, a lot of things blowing up, a lot of things going wrong, but we are going to get there in the end, just like we are going to do with the 350.
Yeah.
So it's all kicking off at hospital. We've got a Porsche 911, brand new. I think it's stolen. Welcome to where we live. Police are now blocking him in, just so he can't get out. But yeah, nice car, but welcome to Rusty Autos. So we've just had a bit of an investigation ourselves, because we're, detectives and all that. But the plate's actually coming back as a 1.2 BMW in bronze, not a 911. So
Chimera S with 500 brake.
that's fun. Yeah. So I think they're going to seize it. Obviously, the police are armed as well. They've got handguns on the hips, well, on the knees even, in a holster. But yeah, the joy. So Jack's now back in the car, in the driver's seat. The situation with that Porsche, it seems like they seized it and took it away because obviously nothing matched. Whether it was stolen or not sure. Which you'd think it would be if it's got a private, well, not a private plate, but a completely different plate. As we said, the plate was coming back as a bronze BMW, brand new BMW. A 1.2, a little bit different to the 911, but if you want to get away with it, get away with it. Now, we are, like I said, we're now going back to check out this flip car. So we're back on track, and we will pick it up with you guys very, very soon. So we're back at the unit. That did not go to plan. We went to look at the car, which we was hoping for that it would be a lot better. But when we got there was a hell of a lot of rust. All the brakes needed doing. What else was there, Jack?
CV joint. Yeah. It was noisy. Aircon didn't work.
Aircon didn't work, but there was water and fluid all over the floor.
Yes, there was juices and
Nice.
So obviously that's a sign for us to stay away. It would have been a decent flip car, to be fair. But
Should we say what it is?
no,
No,
I
keep
don't
it
want to say
secret,
what
so.
it is, because it could literally be anything. So it depends what comes up. There's no specific car that we're after. I mean, it may even be another Fiesta, it may even be a Corsa, whatever it is. It may not even be any of them brands. It could be anything. It could be a 4x4, it could be a transit van, it could be Audi, anything. But again, it depends what comes up. So people keep saying, do okay, there we go. Ding, 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 ding. But yes, so it could be anything. So we're going to go and check this out now. You may see us go again today and look at another. Is it good? Is it good?
Yes.
Is it really?
You're going to be upset.
Eh?
Certain people are going to be upset.
Who?
These jack drivers.
I drive a jack car.
The other jack drivers.
Oh, them ones.
Oh, logo drivers.
So things kind of developed. Curtis is putting his foot down in his course there.
I can't put my foot down.
That was you putting your foot down. But things have developed. As you saw, Jack's just found a car. It wasn't the one that he actually originally said. But we're going to go and view it now. We are determined to find a flip car today. This is how determined we are. We are going to get one, hopefully, maybe, by this weekend. We'll say by this weekend. But Jack is in the front, he's coming. Curtis is in the front driving. Hey!
What's up?
Do you want some
I
shortbread?
love how you've got biscuits.
He's always got biscuits. He did in the last one as well. I had to torture a fig roll to get him to move.
It didn't get me to move though, it just made me get all the biscuits.
So we're going to go here and we'll get back to you once we've viewed this beast of a car.
One
car.
later.
So that was a fail. Started to drive it off on a test drive and basically the spring had snapped already. The guy apparently didn't know about it, but hey ho. I'm sure he had another car for sale as well that we saw, but he said that he'd already bought a new car. So I don't know why you'd buy an old car and then go and get a new one. Curtis, why? Why did you just do that? So the hunt is on again. We're going to look at another car right now. This actual day in the life or weekend in the life or whatever you want to speak it as is turning into a bit of a drama, a bit of searching, and well, to be fair, it's mainly searching for cars, but we have got some other stuff booked in, so we will see you back at the unit after we've decided on this car.
I can't see.
Jack, what are you doing?
Getting some fresh air.
This is why you're never a passenger.
I'm fresh.
This is why you're always driving. You can't be trusted.
I can do it.
You can't be trusted. This guy.
I got seatbelts, so I'm good.
You can't be trusted.
I can do it whilst I'm driving. Watch me next time, I'll do it.
Okay.
No, I won't.
Okay.
Yeah, no one else would be in the car.
Look, Mum, no hands. Jack, your hair's actually flopping about.
Yeah, it's probably off and it's fell out at a fucking road somewhere.
Right. So we put it to vote for you guys. We did a YouTube poll and we did an Instagram poll. You guys preferred shorter videos, so like 20 minutes or 15 minutes rather than a 40-minute video. So this is part 1 that you've just watched. So part 2 will be up soon.